LT1 coming up next. Which one run the best? I'm on a new quiz. Pulled out, I ain't taking nothing less. Y'all want me? Hey!
Are you racing tonight or what?
I don't know. I ain't got nobody to run really. Am I racing tonight? Got my boy in the truck. Hey. No big blocks. I don't know what new phone I want to get. Little small block. I hope it my stream stay good. Hey, I'm drink. Limited line. Drink this Sprite. Okay. Where y'all at? Okay. Let me see. Where y'all at?
I don't give a damn when you take off from that. He brought that bitch to the line. He brought that bitch to the line.
Left lane for the win, y'all. Now, I don't know if he's going to be able to stay out there. This is a 10 speed or something. Ralph Euchers, why you ain't shut Peanut door? Right lane. No, he didn't. All right, y'all, coming up, some Hemis. Focus Curve say he downloading Cash App. Right lane. About to turn this TikTok live back on. Hey, let's get this TikTok back rolling. People coming up here driving cars stolen. Ooh, where I see a car fast, I say it's rolling. Ooh, where I see my caprice, they call it a holding. See my caprice, they call it a holding. Ooh, I'm molding, on the start I'm rolling. Oh, it started buffering when I just turned that on. Is that a Taurus? Let me see. Let me see what kind of car. Oh, that's all cool. Who's finna win? They neck and neck too. Right line, yeah. Look out. Hey, Ronnie Barnes. Move your car, dude. Not gonna tell you again. Move your car, man. Been here all day, parking your car in the staging lanes. Not gonna tell you again, dude. Move your car. Yeah, that's it. He said, "Is that all you got to say?" Look out, y'all. We back live on my YouTube channel. $1 Million Tanya. Hey, girl. Got $1 Million Tanya.